What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have here a mega box of Donruss 2021 baseball. This one comes with 14 mega box exclusive hollow pink and 14 pink fireworks parallels per box on average. Find one autograph per box on average, so maybe we'll get an autograph or maybe some Panini points. So eight cards per pack, and there are 14 packs in this box, or I should say mega box. Oh, if you want to see the back, this is what you can get. If you want to pause it, and without further ado, let us get into it. I know my local Target only had 6 of these when they came out. Nothing else in there. Just count it up real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14. Alright, so we did get our 14 packs. Do these last, and we'll start with this. So first pack, we've got Aaron Judge here to watch. First pack, Chris Bryant, Herman Marquez, Oral Hershiser, Carlos Correa out of 2021, Brad Keller pink, and we have a pink Aaron Judge, I think this is the Fireworks insert, not numbered. And we have Jose Ramirez and Clark Schmidt. So, not bad. So I'm guessing the mega boxes have the pink version of these inserts. The blasters and the hangers have the silver. So we got Albert Pujols, Aaron Judge, Andy Pettit, and we have a, what is this? Oh, this is our autograph. Fireworks of Dylan Tate. Where is he from? I'm not sure. So he's from the Baltimore Orioles. Alright, so that's our auto hit for the box. Not sure who he is, but hopefully he pans out nicely. Then we have a name variation. Got a lot of these of Brandon Lau. Then we have a Mackenzie Gore rated prospect Firework pink. Nice, put that there. And we got a Mike Trout. It's a cool one. Jack Flaherty. Maybe we could get another autograph. No, we'll see. So we got Xander Bogaerts, Max Scherzer, Vladimir Guerrero the Senior. Then we have a Kevin Gausman. This is the Pirates. Oh no, San Francisco. I'll put that here. And Salvador Perez. Then we have a Casey Mize. Nice. I think he just got his first one recently. So this is a nice one. Casey Mize, the rookies. I'll put that one there. Tyler Stevenson and a Josh Donaldson. Move this down for the notables there. Rookies here. So next card. So next pack, got a Isaiah Kiner Falefa, Luis Robert, Max Fried, Jason Giambi, Steve Garvey, and we have a Dallas Keuchel for the White Sox, and then we have a Clemens and a Cruz. Well, not bad. The inserts for Donruss look really nice. But they do not have the license, so here we go. Didi, Jeff McNeil, Otani. Been doing crazy this season so far. Frank Thomas. Oh, we got a Luis Robert. Oh, that's a nice one. La Pantera. It's a name variation right there. I'll put it over here. Then we got a trending Andres Munoz, followed by a rookie Casey Mize, and a Chris Bryant. Got Zach Wheeler, Tim Anderson, who just got injured, Ichiro. Got a Trevor Bauer. It's like a matte feel to it. Charlie Blackmon. Elite Series 1 Soto, very nice. I like this one of my favorites here. Got another Juan Soto, followed by a Luis Patino rookie. So we still got a few more packs to go, maybe I think like 7 more packs, or 8 including this one. Got a Verdugo, Jose Altuve, Lance Berkman, Bryce Harper out of 2021. We have Anthony Santander, pink foil. Oh, nice, and we have a live stream Mookie Betts pink. So I got this one in the other pack. Oh, sorry, I hit the camera. But it was the silver one. We got a Castadi and a Tim Anderson. We got a Blake Snell, Cruz, Fletcher, Miguel Tejada, Sonny Gray, pink. I got a Carlos Correa, Ken Griffey, and a Whit Merrifield. So there is a lot of pink inserts here. A lot of numbered also. So we got a Pablo Lopez, Trevor Bauer, Nolan Ryan. Oh wow, this is got a Tatis here. I don't think this is numbered. He's currently coming back, trying to go back active from his recent injury. I got Luke Voigt, pink. Nelson Cruz, pink, Unleashed. Got a Christian Javier and a Bigfoot Chicago. Who's Iolito? Put that here. We got a Walker Buehler, Dustin May, Shane Bieber, Paul Konerko. Ooh. That'd be cool if this is an autograph. But... Boom! David Garcia, pink. Red rookie from the New York Yankees. Nice, I'll put that here. Got a Zach Gallen. Followed by Trevor Bauer and a Jack Chisholm, who's doing really good right now. So that's a nice one to put there. Alright, here we go. Our last 4 packs of the Mega Box. Here you go. Brian Anderson, Chris Paddock, Babe Ruth, Joey Votto out of 2021. Jose Ramirez, and we have a Unleashed Rafael Devers from the Red Sox. Got a Kershaw and then Miguel Cabrera. I'll be doing a quick recap after this. Sonny Gray, Jose Ramirez, Lamette. This is Troy Gloss, Larry Walker, Tim Anderson, highlights. Oh, it's always upside down. Sam Huff, Raider rookie, and a Bo Bichette. Last 2 packs. Here we go. Gleyber Torres, Christian Yelich, George Brett, Dustin May, Independence Day, I believe. No, just the textured one. Then we got a Pete Alonso Diamond Kings, nice. Followed by a Chris Bryant Unleashed insert, pink, the Throwinator, and a Anthony Rizzo. Alright, I'm gonna put this one here. I'm gonna put this one in the wrong place. Last pack. Let's get something good. Got Perez, Charlie Blackmon, Vlad Jr., Ryan Sandberg, and then we have a pink Gleyber Torres from the Yankees and a trending Vladdy insert, Fireworks. We have a Leody Tavares and then a Yadier Molina. So that does it for this unboxing. Let me just do a quick recap for you guys. Let's see, I would say the notables. Just the notables. We got Dustin May here. We got the textured Bigfoot name variation, Cass Daddy, Trevor Bauer, Louis Robert, and then we have this nice Mike Trout one. We did get a bunch of rookies here. If you want to see the comparison of like commons, quote unquote, to rookies, that's it right there. And here are the pink parallels. You get a very generous amount. Unfortunately, like I said, they are not licensed, but these do look really nice. Whole bunch of pink inserts. And then more notable ones, we have Fernando Tatis Statue of Liberty in the background right there. I don't know what those lines are. I think those are just normal. Juan Soto, Shanghai, Elite Series. Then La Pantera, Louis Robert nickname. Then we had some here notable rookie ones, David Garcia and Casey Mize. Really nice cards there. They got a prospect of Mackenzie Gore. And lastly, our auto hit for the Mega Box was numbered out of 199. Dylan Tate from the Baltimore Orioles. So I'll just read this real quick. Career highlights: Tate took a big step forward as he held hitters to a .164 average in 2020. His stuff has really ticked up from last year. It's a really tough at bat because it's a funky delivery with a lot of movement on his pitches. I am happy with his progression and how he's thrown a lot more strikes. So this guy sounds promising. I might have to actually check him out on the fantasy league. Maybe he's still available. I'll try to pick him up, but we'll see. But yeah, that about does it. Thank you guys for watching, and Aaron Judge approves. And thank you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Have a good one. Peace.